Hi everyone, I'm Ashley from Crinkly Quilts and I just got a huge package from Singer. They sent me the Singer Momento, which is a new craft cutting machine. They sent me the mini press, the square press, and the multi-pack of mats. We're gonna unbox this thing right now. Let's do it. Starting with the main event, the Singer Momento. All right, here we go. Let's see what's inside this thing. If I can get it open. There we go. There's one side. And the other. All right off the top, we got the 12 by 24 standard grip mat. And then we got a box, which looks like it will have all our accessories in it. Yep, okay, so we got little welcome card, all the information that you need, cable to attach it. This one looks like it attaches to your computer, power cable, the pen attachment, and then the rotary blade, the basic blade, and the user guide. As well as, what do we have in here? What are you? Oh, more power cable stuff. So great, we got everything we need to operate the machine. Now, somewhere in here, there it is. Oh my gosh, it's so big. Okay, how do I get this out of here? I think I can flip it. Pardon me. We're going to turn it around so you can see it in here. Flip it up. And you can slide her out like this. There we go. Push that box back. Where is the bottom of this baby? Oh, there's the bottom. Okay. Whew. There we go. I think, there we go, it opens up like this, right here. There's a nice little screen and packaging on that. Let's say, important, pinch wheel must always be in contact with right side of material or cutting mat. Okay, peel that off. There we have it. There's our machine. Okay, now before I plug this in and set it up, I am going to open all the other goodies I got. So we're going to start with the square press and the mini press. This is the square press, and I'm excited to see what this is. I'm guessing this is the pressing mat. I haven't read the instructions on it yet, so I may be wrong, but I think there's about a 90% chance that that's what you use to press on. Okay. Ooh, this is big. So this, I believe, is a 12 by 12 inch square, and I am excited to use that. So yeah, that's got to be like the pressing mat for that. Cool. And then we got the mini press. Let's see. What's in here? Don't fall. Alright. Got our little user guide. Oh, this is mini. Look how cute it is. so itty bitty, you guys. It's perfect. For little projects, it's perfect. Okay, so we got the mini press and the square press. And then I'm gonna go grab my multi-pack of mats. I'll be right back. All right, so here is the mat multi-pack. It comes with 3 24 by 24 inch mats. There is a light grip, which this one on top is the light grip. And there's a medium grip and a strong grip. I think standard grip and strong grip, excuse me. Those are the 3. So on the back of it, it tells you what they're used for. So the light grip is for lightweight materials like cardstock and paper. Standard grip for medium weight materials, vinyl, cardstock, thick paper, and strong grip is for heavy materials, specialty cardstock, wood, and oh, you can cut wood with this thing? Okay, I didn't know that. That's cool. And strong backed fabric. All right, and then so each mat will have a plastic film on it. So we're going to take that off before we cut and then put it back on after we cut so that, you know, stuff doesn't stick to it. All right, let's see what these mats look like. I'm going to have a lot to clean up. Okay, so on the top of each mat up here, there's the hang hole up here. It will tell you what grip it is. So this top one is the light grip. Then we have, the fabric grip and the strong grip. So I'm assuming the fabric grip is the standard grip because those are the 3 grip strengths that they told me. So, or that are on the label back there. So these are the 3 mats. They do have that plastic film. I'll show you. So that peels off. It is sticky. So then, yep, you would put that back on once you're done after you cut and, you know, clean off any excess stuff off your mat. So here we go. I think I'm going to plug this in, set it up, and play with it. I ordered a bunch of materials so that I can, you know, experiment with the different things that it can do. And I will get back to you and maybe show you a project or 2 that you can make on this thing.